Good afternoon, everyone. Just basically, this time we are analyzing the pair is US Canadian dollar. I'm analyzing on the day on 24th 9th of 2017 for the coming week. So this is a Sunday, so I'll just basically before all the prices just moving up and down, and this is a good time to analyze the chart. So there is no excitement going on with the all the exciting movements and stuff like that. Anyway, so let's look at the chart. The chart you're seeing at the moment, as you see that this is the US Canadian dollar, and then it's a daily chart. And I have a few EMAs drawn on the chart. The main thing I'm looking at is EMA 200 for the daily chart. So you can see the red line here, EMA 200 is, you can see the price is below that EMA 200. So this is one of those things. The first thing I would do, look at the chart. I would look at any pair and say, what am I going to do with this pair? By looking at that chart, I can see that this pair is in a downtrend. So particularly, I will only be doing thing is I'll be shorting it. I am not going to be long on this pair, just because EMA is above the price, daily price. So that's one reason for shorting that pair. So what we're going to do with this one. So first, let's see if we're going to short it. We just don't want to short it anywhere. We just need to short it at a particular place where, either if we're going to short it, we're going to short it at the resistance level. So let's find out where they are. So I just basically, to see the level clearly, I just put it onto the line chart. If you, by the way, this is the MetaTrader. So if you're not using the MetaTrader, you need to find your own software to how to do it. But if you're using MetaTrader, you should be able to find that this symbol here, line charts. So just draw that here. So if I just gonna zoom out a little bit, see what we're talking about. The line I drew in this line here. If you can see that there's just a little bit of level here, the price just touch and bounce back down. So this is basically the level I'm interested in. That is a very recent resistant level. So around the area, but they are not just. Please, you need to be you need to have that in mind. And these levels are not exact level. They are just a zone. So it could be just a few bit below, up and down, or whatever. Just basically you just draw a line roughly, and that area, around the area, that's the price you're interested in. So let's just go back to the candle. So you can see that here, pretty much around that area, the price got rejected, and then just there's a three candles already. They've been rejected at that level. And on the daily chart, we know that this is basically below the EMA 200. So we want to sell that one. So when we go back to the 4-hour chart, let's look at it. This is a level we drew. Okay, so previously you can see that as well, and that's around this area. And we have a bearish engulfing. So this candle is totally engulfed the previous candle, and then you can see it went down. Okay, now what we're going to do at the moment, we're not sure exactly, is that going to go down or not. Well, you're never sure when you're on the right side of the chart. You have to do your best. It's not exactly that you're not sure what's going to happen, but looking at this area and previous experience and what is showing right now, so I think if we're going to short this level, we want to short around this area. Where exactly we want to short this at the moment, I wouldn't short it right away here. I would just short the short stop level just below this price. Okay, so the reason for that is we just only want to write the want to go down. So we just don't want to predict or anything. We just wanted to do what's price gonna do. We think this is gonna be this is a pair to be short, and this is what we're gonna do. Where we want to do it exactly. That's we're not guessing it. Just okay. If we're gonna go down, I'm gonna write it. If it's not gonna go down, well, just leave the order and then cancel it out. If it doesn't happen, doesn't happen. Okay, so where it's a level, let's just put something here, draw the line. Let's say, for example, or arrow. Let me just find out where it's it. Okay, so here, arrow down here. Okay, around this price level here. Okay, and then exactly what I wanted to do is just basically. There's a level here. I'm just gonna put it down a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just gonna change line thickness to thin, and then just basically let's just color a little bit so we know this is the entry line. So around about there, I basically wanted to short that pair, and then another line. Let's draw it about here, just probably just above this price level, and then I just call it that's a little bit more sort of the other color. Let's make it red then. Okay, so the two, this is basically, I'm gonna put a stop level here, and this is the entry level here. What do we want to take the what do you want to take the profit target? Well, it's up to you. There is one here. Okay, or you can just go down to all the way down to here around the level before it's hit the resistant the support level. So it's just up to you where you want to put the take profit level. And what you can do here, you can take the take profit here about half of your position, and then you can take the full position out here, or you can just hoping that that's gonna go all the way down. That's up to you. But always just have to be careful about is the risks. I haven't spoke about any risks in this, but I'm expecting you to understand that. But however, just this is something totally different subject. This video is only for analyzing how I analyze the chart. It's not about how you manage a trade and things like that. This is a different area, and it's a totally different subject. I encourage you to have a look at that even before you even trade in it, because the risk management is only the one gonna save you from just breaking your account. If otherwise, if you don't have risk management, surely this business not gonna work. So this video is only for analyzing. So this is how I analyze it, and welcome your feedback, and thanks for watching.